record me? Ah, yeah, of course.
No, don't record me.
That is cruel. That is so bright. That light is bright.
I'm trying to go over your head, but you keep coming in there.
Stand
So you
up.
guys, there's Tiaja taking out her hair. It's okay. Everybody has their bad days. What do you mean exactly?
I don't want to be on the internet.
You were on it before.
Okay, well my hair was fine.
Is that what I'm supposed to do? Isn't that my job?
Yes, I thought you said you weren't doing it anymore until Christmas time.
No, I meant like major. Anyways, hi guys. We're going to Timmy's. Quick thing. Because what I do is I just do like a little bit every day. And then I put it into one. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we're going to Timmy's with Shia. She's trying to do something with her mane here. It's your mane. I need two of these bowls. I'm wondering if I should steal them. I need them for my house. Hungry? I'm getting a bagel and cream cheese and a smoothie. Are we on fleek or not?
I
am.
This out of my hair.
Look at me. Head wrap in all men's pajamas and stuff, you know. So the zipper's here for stuff. So holla at me, I'll be in the company. Oh, I always forget where to look, but okay, bye. Guys, so it is Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve. It's December 23rd. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love Christmas. I don't know why a lot of people are like, oh, I'm not feeling the Christmas spirit this year. I don't feel Christmassy. And I'm seeing all these memes like, oh, it's beginning to look a lot like F-it. Like, are you dumb? It's Christmas. It's amazing. But I am scared right now. I'm parked in a parking lot to go into Walmart. And I'm saying to myself, Zoe, you had the car so many days. You had the money all this time. Why did you wait till last minute? I'm not even done Christmas shopping, but I'm done. Like, whatever else like everybody's supposed to get, they can get after Christmas. Like, I'm sorry if your gift is incomplete. It'll still be in stores after Christmas. You know what I'm getting you. There's no more surprises. Love you, you know? Like, I'm not for the hype right now. Like, I'm over the shopping part. But yeah, I just gotta get a couple more stuff. Oh my god. I forgot plates and bowls. Ice cream. Oh my god. I can't. Anyways, I'm gonna go into Walmart. Y'all wish me luck and stuff because I'm going to need it. Like, I already went to the Chinaman. I already went to the dollar store. I gotta go back there now. Like, oh. All for the love of Christmas, right? Everyone's favorite time of year, right? Right. Anyways, wish me luck. I'll see you guys in Walmart maybe if it's not too hectic. No, it's bad. I just had to walk back out. There's no carts in the freaking store. None whatsoever. I'm gonna steal these folks. Hopefully they give it to me. Excuse me. Do you mind if I can have your card after you're done with it? Sure. Okay. Thank you. No problem. Take your time. Yeah, I got a card. So this is the line. It's not that bad compared to over there. But Lord. Live. Only about like 20 minutes, I think.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Woo! It's Christmas! Oh stressing over for like the last year. It's finally here. We're already stressing for next year. But you know, it's a time for children. It's a time for Christ. It's a time for family, food, friends, love, all of that stuff. I love Christmas, you guys. Like, I absolutely love Christmas. Other than my birthday, it's my favorite holiday. So it's Christmas morning right now, and I'm on the road. I'm heading over to my sister's house because every Christmas morning I go over there and we open our presents, and then the kids are going to be going to their grandma's later on. I'm probably going to Lorraine's, and I'll bring over the kids' gifts later on. And yeah, Marlon's in bed. I don't even think he knows it's Christmas. And yeah, so I'm driving right now. I will see you guys when I get to my sister's. Hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas. Yo, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys got for Christmas. I don't know what I got yet. I didn't open anything yet, so I'm excited. Christmas when the roads are like so clear. Like, it's 9:30. If it was 9:30 on a regular day, like, do you know how much cars would be on the road right now? Like, I just hope I don't buck into no police, okay? But like, it's so clear. I love Christmas. I just wish there was snow. Okay, bye. So Christmas is over pretty much. It's 7:34, December 25th, and I just ate and I'm so full. And I'm here with my first kid, and he bought me something for Christmas. So sweet of you, Josiah. Thank you. Did you like your gifts?
Yes.
Why'd you have to think about it?
I don't know.
Are you camera shy?
He always does that. After 1 o'clock. It's Satan's bag.
Naya! Hi, Zenny. I don't know why I'm calling you Naya for. Zenny! Zanaya!
Yes.
Yo, try stay home tomorrow, eh? Huh? I know. It's so weird
What?
that there's no light in here.
I know my dad said.
Hey guys, so Christmas is over. It's Boxing Day and it's my Christmas dinner today. I'm sorry that it's late. It's like 8:30 at night and this is the first time I'm pulling out my camera, only because I've been in the kitchen all day preparing stuff. Now I'm in the elevator going downstairs to pick up some more people. My cousins are here. So I'm just gonna open the door for them and then head back upstairs for more fun. Let's go find where they are. Why do you guys always come this way? Why do you guys park this way?
Okay, which way should we park?
Visitors is over there.
So should I go park?
And I could at least see through that way.
Should I go there?
Yeah. Okay, come in. I'll go with you because y'all don't know where to go.
Come in and go?
No, I'll come with you guys. You guys can go upstairs. The door's apart. Say sorry, girl. I know all that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? Mommy, sing it, sing it, sing it! So she doesn't like her cards. Hopefully she likes this one. You're so slow. Like them? Do you like them? Mom, do you like them? bad man. Just huh?
We never usually get our
All she does is talk. Okay. Now you need boots. Great.
No, I have boots.
Yes, perfect. It was the perfect gift. Great. Anything else? Anything else? Okay. Anyways, guys, Kashai's head is so big that the 3 packs of hair are not going to finish her hair. So we have to go to the beauty supplier to go and see if we can go buy back another pack of hair to finish her big old head.
They look great, guys.
You'll see it later. But anyways, that's what we're doing. We're walking to the store right now. But let me show you guys the snow. Snowed everywhere.
I need to be up. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Cha. This little girl, she just needs to hurry up and go home.
She always wants to hurt me.
You're not even in it.
Okay. That's good.
So yeah, anyways, that's what we're doing. So we're going to the store to go see if we can get her hair. Hopefully we can. If not, she's out of luck. So see you guys. Guys, we are at the beauty supply warehouse now, all thanks to this ugly monkey right over here, because she decided that she did not want to cut her hair in half to make more hair and not have the long hair all the way down to her asshole. But no, she decided that she wanted long hair down to her asshole. So she ran out of hair. We went to 2 other beauty supply warehouses and they don't have the hair. So now I had to drive all the way over here in this badass snowstorm to come and get her hair to finish it. So let's go inside, Kashaya, and get your hair for your damn head. Okay? And let's go do your damn head and let's go back home because I've had enough. I don't even got money for this. And I look so popped down. Oh my god. Hurry up, man. Just find the braids and get out. So this is our beauty supply here. Yeah. Move on. You got me. Ooh, I like the Havana. Yeah, I know. I know that they have the purple.
This is you got.
Okay, so I think you can get this one.
Or this one.
Hmm?
There's those ones too. These are the ones that the lady sells. This is one more. Yeah.
I don't want your help at all. Oh no, boo. You're gonna cry? Oh no, is that my Kashaya Rain? She's gonna cry. She's gonna. Yeah, no, I like the Cuban one a little bit better. If you run out of here, all we do is just go over the braids and take them out. Yeah.
How much is this?
They're all $5.99.
So you can get 2?
Excuse me?
Never mind.
I think we'll just get the one. If anything, I'll just make the middle a little bit bigger. Because nobody cares about the middle anyways. Oh, hi, you're still recording me. Yeah, so we're gonna go with the Cuban here. The Cuban twist. They can't see it. We're gonna go with the Cuban twist. Hopefully it works out. Okay, now I just need something
For you?
for me. I'm not buying. I just want browse.
And
I could do your hair.
I don't need you
Your battery is getting low. 15%.
to do anything for me. Okay, people, bye. I gotta go. See you guys later, okay? Okay, bye.
Yeah, me actually catch the roots them proper. Me twist, me no start braid, me no braid and then twist and twist, me twist the whole thing, yes.